actually a pretty good question. The immune system can be divided into two main parts, the non-specific or innate immune system and the specific or adaptive immune system. The non-specific immune system is, well, non-specific. It basically consists of skin, mucous membranes, phagocytic cells, and natural killer cells. The skin and mucous membranes are basically barriers, kind of like the walls around a castle, with the bacteria trying to get in, but the skin and the mucous membranes being able to block the invaders. Like the name suggests, the non-specific immune system does not specifically target pathogens. For example, the first line of defense, the phagocytic cells and the natural killer cells, both attack any pathogen or pathogen-infected cell. Phagocytic cells constantly swallow up and destroy any pathogen, not a specific, whereas the natural killer cells attack body cells that are infected by any pathogens. So the specific immune system is, wait for it, more specific. So instead of attacking every pathogen the same way like the non-specific immune system, the specific immune system, which consists of both B cells and T cells, specifically formulates a counterattack in order to effectively kill off pathogens infecting the body. But in order to see how that works, we kind of need to look at the pathogens themselves. Pathogens have a protein coating that are filled with antigen receptors, which are little shapes that can hook onto the normal body cells. This allows the pathogens to infect our normal body cells. The specific immune system uses these antigen receptors to specifically design their counterattack. For example, the B cell first identifies the specific antigen receptor on the pathogen and then sends out antibodies that can connect to those specific antigen receptors. And since pathogens have different receptors, different antibodies can combat those different pathogens. And when the antibodies sent out by the B cells connect to those pathogens' antigen receptor, it'll prevent the pathogen from being able to infect any cells by blocking all of the antigen receptors from attaching to a cell. Another example of the specific counterattack created by the specific immune system is how the T cells attack infected cells. The T cells look for infected cells that have the pathogen antigen. So, if a cell is floating around with a pathogen antigen on it, the T cell knows that that cell must be infected. Therefore, the T cell heads over towards that cell and kills it. So now the next time you're sick, now you know exactly what your body's doing for you. And that trailer at the beginning, we're not making a movie out of it.